Hey, what's up everybody? Today we're going over an awesome appetizer, or it can be a meal. We're going to be making up some chicken jalapeno bombs. Now there's nothing better than a big hunk of meat stuffed with cheese and jalapenos and wrapped in bacon. So you want to start off with your jalapenos. Go ahead and slice them in the middle, and then you want to clean out the insides. Then you want to go ahead and take that half and give it another slice. That way you make it into quarters. So for this one we're using cream cheese. Go ahead and cut about a ½ inch thick slice of cream cheese, and then go ahead and slice that in half so that way you get 2 pieces. Now you can use any kind of cheese for this. It really depends on what flavor you want from it. Cheddar also does very well with this. I went ahead and went with chicken boneless thighs. That way it doesn't dry out, and since it has a little bit more fat content, it stays nice and juicy. So you want to go ahead and season your chicken with your favorite barbecue rub. I actually made this barbecue rub and it's a zesty flavor and it's really good on chicken. I'll leave the recipe in the description, so that way if you want to try it out you can go ahead and do so. So you want to go ahead and stuff your chicken with the jalapenos and cream cheese. I went ahead and did a slice and a half of the jalapenos. That way it can fit it all the way across. And the same thing with the cream cheese. Now you can add more to this. You just need to be careful with the cheese, because if you overstuff the cheese then it'll just ooze out. Fold your chicken over, squeeze in, and then just give it a roll. It'll just come all together. And once you got your roll done, just go ahead and start wrapping into some bacon. Use as many pieces of bacon as you need to cover the whole piece of meat. This one I used 4. No worries on the bacon if it's a little loose, because once you get it on the grill, it'll just tighten up and it'll hug that piece of chicken. So as you wrap the bacon around, you kind of want to pull the bacon as you wrap it. That way it gives it a little bit of tighter fit. Now once you get everything wrapped, it's time to put them on the grill. So I have this Weber Kettle grill preheated at 450 degrees. We have the charcoal in some baskets over there to the side. So we're going to be cooking this on indirect flame. So go ahead and place your rolls on the grill right in the middle where there's no charcoal. And you're going to cook this for about 20 minutes. With the lid on. So just cover it up and let it do its thing. We're going to be back in about 20 minutes. So right about that 20-minute mark, let's go ahead and check on our chicken. And we want to give these a flip. As you can see, that bacon is getting nice and tight on there, and everything's looking nice and juicy. So just go ahead and give it a flip and then cover it back up and let it cook for about another 15 to 20 minutes. Just make sure that before you take it off the grill that the chicken hits the temperature of 165 degrees. Now this is enough time for it to cook, but just make sure it's temping correctly. Now once it's done, look at that. That is just beautiful. That bacon is nice and crispy. Got a big juicy hunk of meat right on the inside. It's full of cheese and jalapenos. I can't wait to get into that. Trust me, that moment once you cut into it, you know you did something right. Look at that. My mouth is already watering. Now if you decide to make this, remember I'm on Instagram, Kirby's_Fish and Grill. And when you post it, make sure you tag me on there and use the hashtag cook mentality. I'll see it every single time. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you've seen today, hit that like button, comment, let me know what you think. And if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. That way you can see my future videos. You have a good one. Take care.